If you're watching those insanely satisfying hydraulic press videos and thinking, I wish I could start a faceless YouTube channel like this, then don't skip this, because what I'm about to show you can literally generate your first video idea in seconds. Go to ChatGPT, click on GPTs, search for hydraulic press, and click on it. Then hit Start. Immediately, ChatGPT will generate the first message, and it will ask you to choose. Now here's where it gets interesting. You'll see different options. I personally chose large. Once you choose, ChatGPT generates a full list for you. You can either pick from that list or write your own idea. And this is where most people don't realize how powerful this is. After your choice, ChatGPT starts generating everything for you. A base image prompt, an object image prompt, and even a video prompt, all automatically. And here's the crazy part. For every choice you make, ChatGPT generates an entire list around that same concept. Meaning, you're not just getting one idea, you're getting a system to create endless content. And once you understand how to use this properly, you can literally build a full faceless channel from scratch. Let me show you how to turn these prompts into actual viral videos. First, search for Google Labs, log in or create a new account, and start a new project. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt. As you can see, ChatGPT gives you one reference image, a base image for every subject, and a video prompt for each base image. So I copy the base image prompt, head over to GoogleFlow, and paste it. Then select NanoBanana Pro as the model, 9:16 aspect ratio, and choose how many images you want to generate. You can also test other Google models if you want different styles. Now pick the image you like the most. This becomes your reference. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the base image prompt again, paste it into GoogleFlow, hit generate, and voila! Your first complete image is ready. Now for the real magic. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, head into GoogleFlow, select your reference image, paste the prompt, choose your model, and now you're about to turn a simple image into a full AI-generated video. Let me show you what happens next. Hit generate, and just like that, here's our first AI video. Now let's take it one step further. This time, I want to create a new video using the small version. Go back to ChatGPT, click on hydraulic press, start a new chat, hit start, and choose small. Then either pick an idea from the list or write your own. Hit generate, and just like before, ChatGPT creates a brand new list of prompts based on your choice. Now copy the base image prompt, go to GoogleFlow, paste it, and hit generate. Then repeat the process, copy the base image prompt again, paste it into GoogleFlow, and always add your previous image as a reference. Once you've got your final image, go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, paste it into GoogleFlow, hit generate, and now you've just turned a simple idea into a complete AI-generated video.